Just installed Windows 10 and wondering what apps to install next? Well, you're in luck. Here are 15 essential apps that will maximize your Windows 10 experience. First up, we have VideoJack. This app offers a smooth video playing experience, supporting a wide range of video formats. It's a must-have for movie buffs and video enthusiasts alike. The network speed test is next on the list. Ever curious about your internet speed? This app provides accurate results about your download and upload speed. Following suit is Opener Pro, an ideal app for managing and opening all types of files. It's your all-in-one file manager and viewer. For entertainment junkies, Netflix is a no-brainer. With an extensive library of movies, series, and documentaries, there's always something to watch. Next, we have Amazon Music. From pop hits to classical symphonies, this app offers a vast music library to cater to all music tastes. Photofunia is an app for those with a creative streak. This app allows you to edit and add fun effects to your photos with ease. For the savvy shoppers, Honey is a must. This app automatically finds and applies coupon codes at checkout with a single click. Slack is an essential app for those working in a team. It's a hub for collaboration, making communications seamless and efficient. Next up, we have Plex. This app organizes your media, making it beautiful and streamable. Adobe Photoshop Express is the app for all your photo editing needs. From simple cropping to advanced edits, this app has got you covered. LibreOffice is a powerful office suite that includes several applications that make it the most versatile free and open source office suite on the market. For the gamers, Cloud Raiders offers an exciting gaming experience. Build and fortify your Sky Fortress in this epic game. Alo's Adventure is a fun and addictive platform game. Navigate through different worlds and overcome challenges in this adventure game. TuneIn Radio is an app for all the radio lovers out there. Listen to your favorite radio stations' music and podcasts from around the world. Last but not least, Can You Escape Free is a thrilling escape room game. Solve puzzles and find clues to escape from a variety of rooms. In summary, the 15 essential apps for Windows 10 are VideoJack, Network Speed Test, Opener Pro, Netflix, Amazon Music, Photofunia, Honey, Slack, Plex, Adobe Photoshop Express, LibreOffice, Cloud Raiders, Alo's Adventure, TuneIn Radio, and Can You Escape Free. Each app offers a unique feature, enhancing your overall Windows 10 experience. So don't wait. Start exploring these apps today.